Hey YouTube, Mac Reports giving you guys a little head-to-head against the, we got the iPad 3G versus the iPhone 3G, not the 3GS by the way. So definitely if you do this comparison against the 3GS, you're going to notice that the pages load faster because of the faster processor. But I just wanted to give you guys, heads up so you can see what to expect. I think that because of the slower processor, 3G, the iPhone 3G does not take full advantage of the speed you can get from the internet when you're going surfing the internet. But obviously, with the iPad, it has the A4 processor. That's going to be a lot faster than the processor that's in the 3G. So just want to give you, a simple little comparison. Apple's webpage, obviously, I'm going to click on the links, try to click it at the same time so you can see, the difference in speed. So here we go. So we're both loading. Should be able to see the progress bar moving on both of them. The 3G iPad is finished. And we're waiting for the 3G iPhone. Now this page obviously is pretty graphic intensive, but I did that purposely so that you can see the difference between, if you were using, something that has, a lot of websites now have a lot of images and so forth, so this is a good example. And it looks like we're almost finished. Yes. Well, no, not yet. We're getting there. Complete. So obviously you see there is a difference there. Now if we did something like, I don't know, let's load google.com. Google.com. Alright, so we're going to try to do this at the same time. 3, 2, 1, click. Google obviously doesn't take as long to load. You'll see it definitely, this one did complete, the iPad did complete faster than what the iPhone did. So let's see. And we're actually going to make this view the classic version of it. So they're loading the same thing. Alright, this actually loaded the mobile version the first time, but even if it was the mobile version, which should give an advantage, it still was slower. Let's do this. We're going to go ahead and type in here iPad sales. Alright, so I see it down bottom here, and we're going to do the same thing here. iPad sales. And something to note though, I can say that, of course I'm typing differently than I would be if I was really using it, but typing on the iPhone, you can definitely type faster for the most part if you're, just because of the stretch, and again, it's, most people are still getting used to it. I've had an iPad since it came out, but this is a 3G. They're the same size, same thing. Typing in general, you can type faster here from texting and stuff like that. But if you turn it in the portrait or landscape view, you'll be able to type actually faster because you can use the full keyboard. So just a note there. But anyway, so they're in the same thing, and we're going to now hit search. We're obviously done here, and now we're done here. Let's look at, let's see what the top link is. It should be the same thing. Hopefully my head's not in the way. Interesting is, they're actually not the same thing. Oh, yeah, they are. I'm sorry. Here is not showing the ads at the top, whereas this does show the ads. It's kind of interesting in itself. But anyway, let's try the top ad, which is an ad from PC World. Okay, now we're done. And you know, it looks like this one actually got, you know, done faster. But I got a feeling, yeah, this is actually a mobile version of it. So I guess that wasn't a great comparison, but just give you guys, you know, simple, hey, you know, comparison of the internet experience, and you can see right away this guy is actually pretty fast on 3G. So you won't be feeling like, oh, you know what, something that I did want to show you. In fact, I'll show you in another video. But the difference between some apps run on, like you look at, you know, Netflix, ABC if you're into watching movies and stuff like that. Let's close that for a second. But you'll see that some apps, like the ABC player, does not play over 3G at this point. But I'm going to do a simple video on that real quick. Alright, Mac Guy Reports signing off. If you guys like this kind of video, definitely subscribe.